guys, I just wanted to bring your project using these little plastic bowls or cups from the Dollar Tree. I took one that I had that was kind of banged up, so I just glued it together. I'm going to end up painting this. And also, we're going to glue it together. Isn't that pretty? So right now, we're going to take one in one. You flip it over. And what I usually do is I take some of the adhesive super glue from the Fix-All from the Dollar Tree. And because of where it's going to situate, I would put it on the bottom here first. And I have my glue, my hot glue, to just allow it to sit faster. I'm going to make some decorative little gifts for some of my friends. They've requested some, so thank you guys. So we take that, put that back and have it stand up, and you just take your hot glue and you go around as much as you can. This is just going to bind it first. Stay inside the lines. It's a little bit tricky, but it's okay. And then now you just make sure that it's straight, so you bring it to you and you put it on there. Now we are going to cover this with some bling, but if you look in there, it's covered and it looks like it's straight. And then you let that sit. I'm gonna let it sit for at least a half hour to make sure that all is well. But we're gonna spray paint this, so it's gonna look very nice. And then it will be a nice little gift. We'll come back and we'll show you.